Hello everybody, Jeremy Latham, the hip surgeon here. It's April 27th today, week 6 of the lockdown. I hope everyone's staying safe, sane and well. Boris Johnson's back in cabinet again, so hopefully we get some very clear leadership over the next few weeks, which are going to be critical. This will determine whether or not there will be a secondary or subsequent spikes in COVID. It is very difficult to predict these things, and clearly the best brains in the land and around the world are trying to help us through this incredibly difficult time. We still need to maintain social distancing, and we have no idea yet whether or not we'll be able to start operating in the next few weeks or months. I've been in the Nuffield today. Normally on a Monday morning, the shoe and boot rack in the surgeon's changing room is completely empty because we're all operating. As you can see from this short video clip, I'm afraid that nobody's doing anything at the moment other than looking after patients on the wards. I know that you will all have concerns about coming into hospital eventually when we can start operating again. We are very fortunate in the private sector to be able to offer everybody a private room with their own bathroom, and it's much easier for us, I think, to maintain social distancing in that environment. So I know everyone's going to have concerns. I have concerns about starting operating again, but we will be coming back and doing the surgery we do best as soon as possible. I'll keep you all, of course, informed through my YouTube channel and through the website, so please do stay in touch. If you like the channel, please subscribe. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them below. Please contact me either through the website or through the office. The details will follow after this. In the meantime, here's a short clip of what was going on in my garden yesterday when the sun was shining and the birds were singing. Hope you enjoy it. Stay safe and well out there, everybody, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Jeremy Latham. I'm the hip surgeon.